A defendant has a right to a speedy trial if he or she wants it, and a Georgia district attorney is hoping former President Donald Trump does. The DA delivered her timeline for trial, but before that, Mr. Trump and his co-defendants are facing another deadline. NBC's Chris Pallone joins us from Washington with more.
While we wait for former President Trump and 18 other defendants to turn themselves in to face charges in Fulton County, Georgia, we now know when the prosecutor there says she'll be ready to try the case. Georgia District Attorney Fani Willis is ready for a speedy trial. The DA prosecuting former President Donald Trump for alleged efforts to overturn the state's 2020 election results is aiming for a March 4th trial date and an early September arraignment.
She had indicated that she would be ready to go in terms of trying this case within 6 months, and that's exactly what we're seeing.
But first, an August 25th deadline looms for Mr. Trump and 18 other defendants to turn themselves in. Trump's former chief of staff, Mark Meadows, has filed to have the case moved to federal court, which would likely eliminate TV coverage and draw from a wider and possibly more Trump-friendly jury pool. A hearing is set for August 28th.
I think it's an uphill battle for Trump and his team, but it's not a crazy position to take. It's an aggressive position to take, and I think that's why the judge wants to have a fact-finding hearing to understand what their role was.
Fellow Republicans on the campaign trail are finding it difficult to emerge from the front-runner's shadow.
It's frustrating as a presidential candidate to constantly be asked about other presidential candidates and the issues that they may have.
Voters in the earliest primary states also frustrated as they try to find answers from the candidates on their most pressing issues.
The needle's not moving and they're not saying anything that resonates with me.
The first primary votes will be cast in about 5 months. Still unknown exactly when former President Trump will turn himself into authorities in Fulton County, Georgia to face those charges, or whether he'll show up to that first GOP primary debate that's next Wednesday in Wisconsin. In Washington, Chris Pallone, NBC News.